Hi, I'm Elizabeth Talbot, and I'm a paralegal and estate plan coordinator with the Talbot Law Group in Walnut Creek, California. We handle probate matters within Contra Costa County and Alameda County, and generally we specialize in complex and litigated probate matters. Often, the people in these probates, the beneficiaries, the heirs, the person appointed to be the executor perhaps, will need to begin the probate much sooner than the court allows for. So generally when you file a petition for probate, the hearing is going to be set about 8 weeks out, which means you're going to have to wait 2 months before you can actually start to administer the probate and manage the estate of the person who has passed away. So that's where the special administration comes in. A special administration allows you to go into court within 5 days, business days, and the court will hear it and appoint an administrator within that time. Also sometimes called an executor if it's a will. This person will be called the special administrator and is just set up to act within a temporary basis for whatever's needed. So what's an example of why you might need to go into court for a special administration or the administrator would need to start dealing with the assets of the estate on an immediate basis and not be able to wait? Well, one example that we've come across is the decedent, person who died, was in the middle of selling their house. So now they've died and they cannot sign the final contract to sell their house. The house is now subject to go to probate. So now the administrator of the estate, or person who's going to be in charge of the estate, needs to finalize that sale. The people on the other side, the buyers, are not going to want to wait 2 months for them to be appointed, so they would go into court for a special administration to give them the power to finalize the sale on the house. Another issue we've come across is where the house has very serious damage and issues with it. There was one person's house who unfortunately was a bit of a biohazard, for example, and this was affecting the neighbors around it. So right away, the children of the person who died needed to get in and get a probate started so that they could begin managing the cleanup of this house, which they had not realized was in such a terrible condition. So that would be another reason that a special administration would be necessary. Other reasons might include debts that need to be paid immediately, or really any kind of thing that would necessitate getting power over the assets and control over the assets in an estate before that 2-month period where you're waiting to be heard by the court. So those are the basics about a special administration. Another reason might be if people are fighting and you need to go in quickly and appoint someone to manage the estate because the people who were managing the estate were not doing a good job. So that might be another reason why you would appoint a special administrator. If you'd like any more information on probates and special administration within Contra Costa and Alameda County, please call our law firm. Thank you.